Come on, my girl, it's time to go. In through the window and out through the door. What have we done and what shall we do about all them things that I've put you through? Well, you are drunk and I'm tired. In the rearview mirror there's nothing but fire. There's blood on my hands and blood on your shirt, and our shoes are covered with dirt. Fried chicken and gasoline, it's set on a sign by the road. Fried chicken and gasoline, and that's where I'm gonna go. Well, my friend is dead and my time draws near, but I never cried, not a single tear. Who will grieve when I no longer breathe? And who will cry for me when I die? Fried chicken and gasoline, it's set on a sign by the road. Fried chicken and gasoline, and that's where I'm gonna go. Well, you, my girl, you get under my skin. You are as cold as the devil and hot as sin. But you will not grieve when I no longer breathe. So go wherever the wind may blow. Fried chicken and gasoline, it's set on a sign by the road. Fried chicken and gasoline, that's where I'm gonna go. All the motel signs say no vacancies, but that's alright, cause I don't need no sleep. All that I need now is something to eat, and all that my car needs is more gasoline.